Littmann Cardiology 4 versus MDF 777. Up between buying the Littmann Cardiology 4 or the MDF 777. Just keep in mind that they are different stethoscopes. The Cardiology 4 has dual lumen tubing and the MDF 777 has single lumen tubing. Let's get into the video. Price. I paid $180 for the Littmann Cardiology 4 and $99 for the MDF 777. Weight. The Littmann Cardiology 4 weighs 171 grams, which is 6 ounces, and the MDF 777 weighs 190 grams, which is 6.7 ounces. Acoustics. In my detailed review, the Littmann Cardiology 4, I gave it 5 out of 5 stars for acoustics. The MDF 777 received 4 out of 5 stars. Great acoustics on both these stethoscopes. The Cardiology 4 is superior because of the dual lumen tubing. Tubing length. The Littmann Cardiology 4 is 69 centimeters long, which is 27 inches, and the MDF 777 is 78 centimeters, which is 31 inches. The difference in length is that much. Tubing feel. In my detailed review of the Littmann Cardiology 4, I gave it 3.5 out of 5 stars, and the MDF 777 received 2 out of 5 stars. The reason the MDF 777 received a lower score is because of the flexibility of the tubing. In my opinion, it is just a little bit too rigid. Spare kit. With the Littmann Cardiology 4, you will receive a set of hard ear tips, soft ear tips, a non-chill rim, and a user manual. With the MDF 777, you will receive 2 sets of ear tips, size small and large, a plastic diaphragm, a name tag, and a user manual. Warranty. The Littmann Cardiology 4 comes with a 7-year warranty, and the MDF 777 comes with a free parts for life on manufacturing defects. When I do my detailed stethoscope reviews, I give them a score out of 50. The Littmann Cardiology 4 has received a score of 40 out of 50, and the MDF 777 received 31.5 out of 50. Do keep in mind that they are different stethoscopes, dual lumen, single lumen, but essentially 2 great stethoscopes. If you are still tossing up between the two, or just want to know more about them, I recommend you go and check out my detailed reviews on both of these stethoscopes. I'll leave a link for them in the show notes. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you on the next one, and as always, remember, listen with your heart.